Hi everyone, it's me, Maya Jade Young, and this is my account YouTube channel. And I from Philippines. I got buzzer last week and I show it. Look, just look it. It's really ugly, but why it blinking so I can type? I show it my old account in year 2025. This is my old video in old account. I got one or two or three likes because I don't have supporters in my YouTube channel, and I will get face reveal when I turn 18 or I got million followers in YouTube.